Muscle soreness, often experienced after intense workouts, is a common phenomenon that arises from microscopic damage to muscle fibers during exercise. This discomfort, known as delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, can indicate that muscles are adapting and strengthening in response to physical stress. Understanding muscle soreness is crucial for optimizing workout effectiveness, as it can influence training decisions and recovery strategies. Recognizing when soreness is beneficial, signifying growth and adaptation, versus when it may hinder performance or indicate injury, is essential for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. By exploring the nuances of muscle soreness, we can better tailor our exercise regimens to maximize gains while minimizing the risk of overtraining and injury, ultimately enhancing overall fitness outcomes. Delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, is a type of muscle pain that typically occurs 24 to 72 hours after engaging in strenuous exercise, particularly when the body is unaccustomed to the intensity or type of activity. This soreness is often perceived as a sign of an effective workout, reinforcing the belief that greater discomfort equates to better results. However, it's essential to understand that DOMS is a result of exercise-induced muscle damage, where microscopic tears in muscle fibers occur during intense physical activity. While some level of soreness can indicate that muscles are adapting and strengthening, excessive DOMS may hinder performance and recovery. Thus, recognizing the significance of DOMS helps individuals balance their training for optimal results without risking injury. Exercise-induced muscle damage occurs when intense physical activity leads to microtears in muscle fibers, resulting in inflammation and soreness. This damage triggers a biological response, where the body sends pain signals to the brain, signaling the need for repair and adaptation. As the muscle fibers heal, they become stronger and more resilient, preparing the body for future workouts. Interestingly, this process is linked to the repeated bout effect, which suggests that after an initial period of soreness, subsequent workouts of similar intensity may result in less discomfort. This phenomenon highlights the body's ability to adapt to stressors over time, emphasizing the importance of progressive training to minimize soreness while maximizing strength gains in overall performance. Muscle soreness is often expected and beneficial in various scenarios, particularly for beginners who are more susceptible to experiencing discomfort as their bodies adapt to new physical demands. When individuals start a new workout regimen or incorporate unfamiliar exercises, they are likely to encounter soreness due to the stress placed on their muscles. This soreness serves as a crucial indicator of muscle adaptation, signaling that the body is responding to the new challenges. Additionally, experiencing soreness can highlight the need for increased workout intensity, encouraging individuals to push their limits for greater gains. Embracing this temporary discomfort can ultimately lead to improved strength, endurance, and overall fitness as the body becomes accustomed to the demands of exercise. While muscle soreness can indicate training intensity, it is not always a reliable marker of progress. Some muscles may not feel sore even after effective workouts, particularly if individuals have adapted to specific exercises or training regimens. This lack of soreness does not mean that progress isn't occurring. Rather, it highlights the importance of monitoring various performance metrics, such as strength gains, endurance improvements, and overall fitness levels. Relying solely on soreness can lead to a misguided focus on discomfort rather than meaningful results. Therefore, it's essential to encourage individuals to concentrate on their overall gains, including increased weights lifted, enhanced endurance, and improved technique, rather than chasing soreness as the sole indicator of a successful workout. To enhance training effectiveness, individuals can use muscle soreness as a gauge for their training intensity. By paying attention to soreness levels, one can assess whether they are pushing hard enough to stimulate muscle growth, while also recognizing when to dial back to prevent overtraining. Striking a balance between challenging oneself and avoiding injury is crucial. Pushing too hard can lead to setbacks, while not pushing enough may hinder progress. Therefore, it's essential to listen to one's body and respond accordingly. If soreness is excessive or persistent, it may be a sign to modify the workout routine or incorporate more recovery time. Ultimately, tuning into bodily signals can lead to optimal results and a sustainable fitness journey. Don't rely solely on muscle soreness as a gauge of your workout effectiveness. While it can sometimes indicate muscle damage and a new stimulus, it's not a reliable or necessary condition for muscle growth or progress. Focus on these more important indicators of a good workout in progress. Progressive overload. Are you consistently lifting heavier, doing more reps, or increasing the difficulty of your exercises over time? Proper form. Are you executing exercises with good technique to effectively target the intended muscles? Consistent training. Are you adhering to a regular workout schedule? Adequate recovery. Are you getting enough sleep, nutrition, and rest between workouts? Improved performance. Are you noticing improvements in your strength, endurance, or overall fitness levels? Use soreness as one piece of the puzzle, but don't chase it or be discouraged by its absence. Listen to your body, prioritize proper training principles, and focus on long-term progress rather than solely on how sore you feel. If you experience severe or persistent pain, consult with a healthcare professional. We've explored the complexities of muscle soreness, highlighting its role as both an indicator of exercise-induced muscle damage and a potential sign of progress in training. We discussed how beginners may experience more soreness, the importance of monitoring overall gains beyond discomfort, and how to use soreness to enhance training effectiveness while avoiding injury. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to Feed Your Fitness. We invite you to explore more content related to fitness and training on our channel, where you can discover tips and strategies to optimize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.